Come here, you fat boy.
It's just looking at you.
Want these nuts? Want these nuts? Oh, he's coming.
He doesn't want to.
You want the nuts?
He's doing the tail wag.
Come get these nuts. Come get these nuts.
I don't know if that's threatening or if he's trying to.
Come get these nuts.
What?
He's trying. What are you, pregnant? Oh, he's pregnant. He's got boobies. Trick him with this thing.
What if we had some food with us right now?
Yeah.
If you had tame a squirrel.
Here you go. Got some nuts. Got some nuts.
This is a special edition. Don't know the name of it, but hopefully it flies good. So you don't stick on your disc. And now, whenever you throw it, it'll be perfect. Ooh, not bad.
Perfect.
Play for this one. I don't know how it goes because it's not my normal putter, but oh, very straight. Didn't go over the fence. Okay, this shot is for par, and the only putter that can do it is the judge.
No breaking limbs.
This is already broken. Someone got the exact same shot as me. Okay. Good position. Finger on a branch. Okay. This is for par, and I'm a little far away from the basket. Yeah. I didn't even get close up for a putt. I have the judge. Judge. Oh, dang. Oh, it's at the very top of this tree. That's all. This one's going to be the number. All the way over there. It's not too bad. Okay. I'm throwing the Atlas. But I had to make this to get par, so. Canyon. Canyon's gonna make it. Oh, well, it's get you.
Come here, buddy. Want some nuts? Want some nuts?
He's making noises at you too.
Good. He's coming.
I think I'm gonna go with the Mako 3 because it goes really straight and I'm on the middle of the road right now. So, going right at the basket. And it's gonna hit a tree. Oh, dang it. Where I am, I had to go between these two trees right here. And then I might be able to make it between the two trees. Alright, this is for bogey. Okay. Here we have the F2 here. And the basket is straight in front of me. But there's a line of trees too. So if I shoot it super far straight, or even to the right of it, then it should be good. Okay. If I make this as a birdie, but I don't think I'll make it. I'm trying to get it close. Well, maybe I could go off from the side back into the trees. Forehand, right down into the basket. Oh, that bounced so high. Judge for double bogey. Double bogey. Give me the dust. Now I should be able to get the perfect shot. Oh no, so high. Oh. Got the Atlas here. And we're gonna do a forehand. And I'm gonna use 2 fingers instead of 1. I should be able to make it hopefully. Well, that would have been the canyon. Here we go. Straight through those 2 trees, right into the basket. Whoa. Tap it on it. Here we have a D model and an F model, both by the man of Freeman. And I can only use drivers from Freeman on this hole. I'm gonna go with this F model first because it says ace on it. And that's what I need if I want to time my last score. Oh, I thought this was gonna go over the fence for a second. Now I'm just gonna go with the Atlas. And I'm gonna do forehand because I can get it really straight, I think. Look how straight that is. Oh, I hit a tree, but second shot with the Atlas. Oh, big tree. Tag team judge.